developed some of my own resources, but I've also used resources that the colleagues at the college have used as well. We've got Welsh rugby book, which you might have already seen, I don't know. It's all songs in Welsh. So we look at pronouncing the Welsh words, but the students do tend to come out in song with some of them, so they do know the words. But we look at the pronunciation of the words as well. The Welsh cakes recipe, we look at producing English words, the Welsh words for the English words with the Welsh recipes as well. So, and the learners actually, find that really good. They quite enjoy that.